watching Fari with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Ayam Bakar, which is Indonesian style grilled chicken. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So about quarter to third cup of peanut butter, smooth peanut butter with a little bit of mushroom granules, a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder, also dark chili powder, and a pinch of ground mustard, and we're gonna have a little bit of salt as well, and we're just gonna mix it until smooth sauce, turn into smooth sauce. Water is about half cup to 3/4 cup, and a little bit of sweet soy sauce, like 1 heaping tablespoon, adjusting to your liking. You can add cayenne as well if you like. The dark chili powder is not spicy. Now spoon some to your pan. And then we're gonna lay some of the chickens and coat it and pour the rest of the sauce. So this is 1.5 kilogram chicken with skin, but very less of bone, and coat it with the sauce that we have on the pan, and then we're gonna pour the rest of the sauce covering all the chicken. And you can marinate it for 20 minutes, but otherwise just pour the whole sauce. Now we're gonna cover this and smoke it, so it's gonna be so good. There you go. Again, pour the sauce, cover it with aluminum foil and smoke it, and then barbecue. Yum. Serve it with warm rice. Yummo.